In this video, I will show you how to create a website with HTML. There will be many videos teaching all the step-by-step processes. Here are all the steps we will be going through. What is HTML and what is needed to create a HTML file. Half of the basics, the second half of the basics, and more extra things. Now let's learn about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be supported by other languages like CSS, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript. The latest version of HTML is HTML 5.2. Now that we know something about HTML, let's start to make a file. First, start by opening an app if you have one that allows you to create HTML files. If you do not have an app, you can just use Notepad. It even allows you to create HTML files, but you won't get suggestions like you get in an app. I have Adobe Dreamweaver, so it will give me suggestions. It will work the same in Notepad too. So first you go and save your file not as a text document but as a .html file. So you can name it whatever you want, .html, and save it. Now if you type anything, like you need to type everything to start an HTML, but after you open it in from your file, it will open as an HTML file in your browser. So first let's start by creating an HTML file. Let's save the file. Okay, save as .h. It will save as an HTML file already and save. Now first you have to type all the before code. So this is essential. First you have to write angular bracket exclamation mark doctype. Then you write angular bracket HTML. As you can see, it gave me a suggestion. Now if I close this and angular bracket slash, and it closed for me. Now you have to write body close open slash body. You can also give a title to your HTML file, but if you don't give, it will take the name that you took. So example, you wrote your name.html. So when you open the file, it will be your name on the top, but it won't put .html. So I'm gonna give a title and slash title. So now it will give my title as my first video. These are all the things you need to create an HTML file. You can also add /head, open head, and then /head. You can do this, and now whatever the code you have to write, you will type all the code here, like h1 hello my friend /h1. There is even h2. It's still h6, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. If you type a code, you have to always close it. Like if I wrote h2, but I did not close it, so it won't take the command. And it's like heading 1, heading 2, h2. This is my first video. h3, close. Thanks for watching. Now let's save our file and open. As you can see, we created all this with just HTML. If you right click or you do Ctrl+Shift+I, you can check the code, all the code that you wrote. Thank you.